Hi everyone, Amy here with amyswares, and today I'm going to make a super easy masculine birthday card. Now this is the new right angle stencil. This is part of the May release at A Colorful Life Designs. I'm going to do some very simple ink blending and pull this card together in a snap. Here's a photo of the finished card to show you the direction that we're headed, but guys, it couldn't be easier. So here I have my contraption set up. This is a cake decorating turntable and one of the Ulta new sticky mats. I'm just using that to hold on my stencil for some simple, easy ink blending. Grabbing a couple colors from the Spa collection at Catherine Pooler and my Ulta new small blending brushes, and I'm just going to go add a stripe of color, add a diagonal, and blend it out to white, and it's literally that simple. So this would be an amazing idea if you need to batch a bunch of cards. Maybe you donate them to a church or to like an assisted living home or something like that, or a card drive, or maybe you just need to bulk up your stash of cards that will work for masculine or for anyone. So this is my go-to, guys. So all you need are some amazing geometric stencils and you can pull together a card in a snap. Slap a die cut on it, Bob's your uncle. So I love stencils like this. This one is probably one of my favorite of the May collection. Now the May collection at A Colorful Life Designs is kind of unique because she actually has 3 separate bundles plus 12 new colors of card blank. So there is a cat inspired bundle, a dog inspired bundle, and a backgrounds inspired bundle. And the background has some really cool geometrics, including this one. So here I'm just kind of toning it down a little bit, getting rid of so much starkness by just blending some residual ink on top of it. Now I'm shopping my sentiment book. This is my storage solution. I'm initially thinking kind of a big Fatty McGee die cut, but I do end up going with the smaller new one that I recently got from Uniquely Creative. So I will link all the products that are available that I used in the video description box below. If you shop A Colorful Life Designs, please use my links that I have below. It really does help me out. And don't forget my coupon AmyFan10. You'll save 10% on your complete order. That can apply to everything except for the Master Creator bundles of stencils, because those are already marked down at 20% off. So if you use my links, it really does help me out a lot. Now, as well as the card bundles, or sorry, the stencil bundles that I told you about, there are 12 new gorgeous colors. And depending on when I air this video, in the first 7 days, so May 1st to May 7th, she's also offering a bundle price on all the 12 new colors of card bling. So take advantage of that in that first week if you want all the colors, because you'll get 20% off of that. And the best news is you can use my coupon on top of it to save even more. So again, May 1st to May 7th for all 12 of the card bling, but those bundles of stencils will be available all month long at 20% off. You just can't use my coupon on those. So here I just used some foam tape to pop that up, and now I'm picking what sort of card bling I want to use. I do end up going with one of the blacks just because I feel like it ties into kind of this dramatic, bold design, and I'm going to lay those down in a smattering of colors. I believe this is the glossy black, but tons of gorgeous neutrals. The 12 new colors are bright in your face, great for spring and summer, so be sure to check those out. Like I said, I'll link everything below. If you use my links, it's no additional cost to you. It just helps me out and I'll get credit for the sale. And other than that, I just appreciate you spending time with me today. So if you enjoyed this video and you found it helpful, please hit the thumbs up and consider subscribing, and be sure to check out the release because there's so much good stuff. And as you know, Mary Kay at A Colorful Life Designs is a small one-woman shop in Texas, so you're supporting small, you're supporting a woman-owned business, and I appreciate you spending time with me. Thanks so much, and I will catch you next time. Bye.